In the Mid-American Conference, BG came away with their first win in 2 years, defeating Murray State 27-10. A couple of bright spots for the Falcons after the tough loss last week, as BG's defense making an immediate impact. The opening drive, linebacker Brock Horn recording his first career interception. That set the Falcons up for success on their first offensive possession. Overall, defense limited Murray State's offense to just 201 yards while holding the Racers scoreless in the second half.
It's definitely a big confidence booster when you can go out and get an interception, block punt. Those types of things are game changers. In the opening drive to go out, stop them, get an interception, and score definitely swung the momentum our way right away, and it helped. We needed it.
I think our defensive line is going to be really good, and they are good right now, but I think they could be exceptional here soon. They're big, they're strong, and that's where it starts. And we've said that from the beginning. Whenever the fronts are playing well, you got a chance for success. And they're older, stronger, and but they're going to be good, and they are good. But they're really going to be good here in a theater near you.